Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and we are on the second tutorial of character development. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about other pieces, and we're going to get straight into it. This is a HD sized canvas, and we're starting from scratch. And we're going to get the rectangle tool. No, we're not. We're going to get the oval tool. We're going to get the oval tool. I'm going to bring out an oval or a circle. We are then going to get the oval tool again and make another circle. We're going to split these parts and delete it. The line needs to be black if it wasn't already set to it. We're going to grab the ear and we're going to press FN F8 and call it ear. We're now going to go inside of this symbol and we're going to grab the oval tool again. Add in layer 2 and we're going to select black, and we're also going to bring the alpha up to 100. We're going to throw out a circle like that. We're going to grab the circle and we're going to copy and then paste. Then we're going to pull it down, press Q on your keyboard and make that shape. We're going to grab the lines of this shape, delete them, and we're going to press FN F8 and call it ear detail. Right, we're now going to grab this shape and we're going to say, we'll grab both of them actually. So hold down Shift and select that so it selects both vector pieces, and we're going to press Control and copy, and then we're going to go a layer above layer 1 and Control Shift paste, which is paste in place. We're going to grab the Shift button to keep dimensions. And what we're going to do with this shape is FN F8 and call it ear shadow. We're going to go inside and we're actually just going to pick a colour, and the colour needs to be a pink. Basically that colour's nice, but believe it or not, the only problem with that is the alpha is not 100. Now it is. Now we're going to grab these two pieces and we're going to say color orange, and again we need to put the alpha up. So that's basically an ear, but we can make it a better ear. Just grab it and press FN F8 and call it ear hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the line by going to properties a higher stroke size. So stroke size like that. Now we're going to select, we're going to put a layer above layer 1, actually above layer 3, and we're going to grab a rectangle tool, we're going to colour, change it to black, and we're just going to pull out like so. Then we're going to grab it, put it to there, bend it slightly, like that. Put it over, and now we're going to say alpha 45%, and we're going to get rid of the back lines. And now that has a little bit of shading. There's a little bit of shading. So now we're going to go into, put a layer above. We went in back into the timeline within the symbol ear. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab a rectangle again. We're just going to put it out like that. We're going to copy it, basically because it needs to be above layer 4. Get rid of the line, place it there. Place it somewhere you can manipulate the points. Then when you manipulate the points, it will be shadow. That's the points manipulated. I seem to think we should go into here and add 3 layers. And we're going to grab layer 1 and copy it, paste in place in layer 2, paste in place in layer 3, paste in place in layer 4. On layer 4, I'm going to say modify shape, expand fills, inset, and press 8 pixels. No, we're going to undo that. Press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard, or do like a bigger fill according to expand fills, inset or outset or whatever it is. So what we're going to do is, what I'm going to do is drag that one down. I'm going to drag that one to there. I'm going to drag layer 1 outwards like so. Now we're going to keep that as black. We're going to make this colour, try a dark grey. Layer 2 we need to make a lighter grey, and that's an ear. So let's copy it over, Control copy, Control Shift paste. I've come out of the ear and I'm back on the scene 1, which is your first stage or your first timeline. I'm going to go to modify, transform, flip horizontal, and you can see they're pretty good ears. Like, to make it a little bit better, you could make this fill a radian, and if it's a radian and you press F, you can change that like that. But But what probably would be best is to then put a oval tool on top of it and just do that and make it totally black like that. So that's an ear. Just to make it a little bit more fun, to make the tutorial go on more, grabbing the oval tool, I'm going to copy, Control Shift Paste, press Q, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colour of it in the bucket palette. Could be any colour, because all I'm doing is deleting it. Then I'm going to cut a little piece out. And now I'm going to say radial gradient. I'm going to find a gold. It needs to be a dark gold or a dark orange. You'd probably think that gold was yellow. And the truth is, use the gradient transform tool, select this and call it FN F8 ear ring. Okay. Copy it, go inside of the ear and just say Control Shift paste in place. Really, it's all about the alignment at the end of it. It's basically an ear with an earring. And thank you for listening.